Oh, time. Time's out. He jogs out and just gets nailed.
Had some great luck.
Man, George.
I think that was foul. Just a bit foul.
Nope. 2-2.
Ah, fucking wind underneath that.
Out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right here.
Yes, one out.
One out.
Oh.
How'd that go? There you go, Mario. Yeah, Mario, nice Mario.
One out? Yes.
One out. One out.
Mike. Out.
You're up. Hey, what do you get one in?
Two now.
Go do it, six.
Nope. 2-1. One run, guys. One.
Whoa, nice catch, third.
Right?
Yeah.
My back was turned. If my back wasn't turned, I would have hit. I love it. I was still
Okay, batter's up.
bottom
Bottom four.
bottom four. Everybody move in.
The other guy that's on the staff, this guy. Take it. Yeah. Three. Oh, no go. Oh, I can't see it. Ryan?
third. No, he's off the base at first. He's off.
You go, Jax.
Two one.
Help! Help! Me!
Out.
Come on, you got it. You got it.
2-1. Oh, one scores. One scores. Got one in.
Just one, right? Just one. It's like a quick game.
From the outfield.
Okay, batter's up.
Andre on deck. Go double deck. I knew it heated in the outfield. It just still hurts like I still get that quick switch off the base. They're to move in the outfield. And I got hurt being the runner.
All right.
I'm pretty sure.
Nope. 2-2. Stay with it. Stay with it. Out.
You just spiked that, huh? Little bounce pass.
I think he's walk the rest like 20 feet.
Nice foul.
Yeah, went over there like that.
Nah, it's disrespectful. I don't like doing that.
You were in the box fast. You were like, ah, then you're like, no, that's 20 feet away from this. Yeah, we gotta definitely watch. We gotta get that video. Oh my god, I can feel my head.
2-2.
I try to stop it, my bad, but I try to like hit it down, and when I hit down, it hits the one spot. It ricochets.
grab the dark one right above you. This one? Yeah. Hang on. I can't do it.
Now that JT.
Okay, batter's up, batter up.
Now that JT. Now that JT.
We're not all that good. Right?
Dude, that's
More than one.
it comes in so high though. Like
But it had the height. It did have height.
The guy has to pay now for a third person. Shane.
22, 2-2.
Oh yeah, JT. Oh my God! Get the fuck out!
That doesn't need 10 times.
Really?
There we go.
Was that the first time that you had brought it to my
Get him a stick, get him a stick.
It was all about the bat.
Take your inhaler in between puffs of the cigarette. Cigarette inhaler, cigarette.
GG.
If you don't,
Too deep, 2-1.
safe, drop the ball.
probably should have stopped for a second. I just ran.
Out!
Good play, Chris. All right, good play.
Nope. 2-2. Out!
Come on, Matt. Big spot, kid.
Oh, yeah, like,
Go, Matt.
Go, go, go! Up through!
Safe! Safe! Five. You got 5, right? 5? One more or one?
Yeah, one more. Yeah, you just gave it one.
You needed one. You got 5. Who did that?
That's good.
Yeah.